Okay, back with you once more, and I'm going to elaborate a little bit here on what my favorite brands are. Now, this is a very broad question because there's so many brands to choose from, and most companies they're trying to do what they can to market their brands to most certain customers. In fact, I would say branding would be the great thing, especially in marketing. And that's the focus of this video here. Now, my favorite brands, I would say, there's so many of them. When it comes to clothing, athletic apparel, my favorite brand would be Gap or Old Navy, but mainly Gap Incorporated stuff. As for athletic apparel, I would say Nike and Adidas and Under Armour, but mostly Nike and Under Armour would be my favorite brands. Now, as for beverages, I would say that some beverages from Pepsi, some beverages from Coca-Cola. Now, as for the Coca-Cola, I would say I have to choose Sprite. That's my most favorite one. Now, as for Pepsi, I would have to say maybe Orange Crush or Hires Root Beer. But they don't sell Hires Root Beer here in Canada. They sell it in the States, US. But they sell Mugs Root Beer here, which is, I think, a part of either Coke or Pepsi. I really don't know. But this is it. Those are my favorite brands. And that's all I have for this commentary.